New dawn in the history of Chelsea Football Club broke this morning, but many managers across the globe are refusing to let the sun set on the old one. Roberto Di Matteo's sacking in the early hours of Wednesday continues to garner strong opinions from leading lights in the game.
Di Matteo has come in a difficult situation. He has won the Champions League, he has won the FA Cup, he has done well, and he wasn't given any time at all this season, so it's a complete surprise to me.
I'm never happy when a manager is sacked, never happy, because, you know, happens to them, can happen to me. I'm never happy, I never enjoy when a manager is sacked. I always feel sorry for him, I always feel sorry for his family, because our lives are very, very similar, so I'm not happy with any situation.
One man who knows exactly how Di Matteo feels is Andre Villas-Boas. Sacked by Roman Abramovich after 257 days, 5 fewer than his successor lasted, the Spurs head coach believes Di Matteo can bounce back.
I think most of the managers that have recently left that club have moved on to another position. So, you know, so I think it's just we are grateful, I think, most of us, for having been through that club, through that experience. And now all of us are in different situations and working in other clubs, using that experience as a background, for sure.
If the departure of the Italian was a shock, then the decision to replace him in the short term with Rafa Benitez has astounded some managers.
But Rafael Benitez is a guy who has a record, who is a manager of a stature, and it is a surprise that he is appointed for such a short time, and I'm surprised as well that he accepted.
Rafa's reign begins with one of the toughest challenges of all, welcoming unbeaten Manchester City to Stamford Bridge on Sunday.